Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Technomathematics. So today we'll be taking a question from the series. Okay. So these questions can come in any competition. So just try to understand the series. What number to be filled in the missing spot, right? This is the missing spot where this question mark is marked, right? So we need to find what need to be filled over there into this missing spot, right? This is the question mark, right? That if the first number of the series is 8, thereafter 9, then 32, then the fourth spot, then 128, then 144, right? Then you need to find which number need to be filled over here into the missing spot. That is our question. Okay, so to solve this question, let us start and think what can be the sequence, which is what is the logic which is followed across over here. So to solve such question, students, just make sure in your mind that what is the relation where what you can correlate after looking over the first term. You can see it, 8. 8 is the first term, so we can see that 8 can be written as either 3 square minus 1 or 2 cube. So taking the first possibility, 2 cube, right? 2 cube is 8, right? 2 cube is 8 because 2 into 2 into 2. And here also you can see this one. If you follow the first, third, fifth, the odd positions, all the odd positions numbers. Let us see what is the sequence which is followed over here. For all the odd, you can see 8, 32, 128. All are the numbers which are multiple of 2, right? So, and 32 can be written as 2 power 5, isn't it? Think 2 power 5, right? Similarly, 128 can be written as, tell me, it can be written as 2 power 2 into 2, 4, 2, 8, 16, 32, then 264, then 128. So 2 power 7. 2 power 7 can be written for 128, right? So here you can see we are able to have a correlation that whatever the odd positions followed, that is the first position, this is the third, and this is the fifth. So in every odd position a sequence is followed, that is 2 power that odd number, 2 power 3, 2 power 5, 2 power 7. You can see 3, 5, 7, all the exponents are odd, right? Now just see this 9.128. So these are the equations, these follow the equations for the odd positions. This follow the relation or logic for the odd positions, right? Now for the odd positions, these are followed. Hi Avino, hi, very good morning, nice to see you. So these follow the odd positions. Now let us see what is the sequence which is followed for all the even positions. So what are the even positions? These are the even positions. This one, the question mark which you are having, and this one, right? And the even positions are 2, 4, and tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth position. 6, right? So here we can see for 2, 4, and 6 position, that is, hi Avino, yeah, I can see your message. Yeah. It's not like that that someone will be present into the live session, then only this will work out. Okay, actually this recording will be there on the YouTube, and definitely anyone can take help from this anytime. Okay, so it's not like that if anyone is present into the live session, then only it will be useful to him or her, but exactly it will be a recorded session and it can be used anytime whenever searched across the YouTube, right? So that's why it will be useful anytime. I hope I clear your doubt. You know. So let us solve this question, dear. Okay. After that we can discuss and we can talk. Yeah. So here you can see 9, 39 question mark and this 144. These are the even positions 2, 4 and 6, right? So here 9, you can see what is 9. So 9 from the first, the from its predecessor, the first term before 9 is 8. So 9 can be written as, let's say, 8 its predecessor plus something, right? And here also the question mark is 32. So let's write 32 over here plus something, right? Then here 144 is here. So it can be written as the sixth, on the sixth position, 128 plus something. So what is this something that need to be found, right? So we can help with the this first and second and fifth and sixth, that what relation is followed. From first and second, you can see the second is first is predecessor, that is 2 power 3 plus 1, right? And here also it can be written. Yeah, Himesh, let's wait. Your answer is not correct, but just wait how we are solving it. Okay. And in the last term, the sixth term, its predecessor is seventh term, that is 128 plus something. So that something is already identified, 144. 120 is plus what, plus which number is equal to 144? So it is simply 16, right? 16. So we will take use of these two. The relation between first, second and fifth, sixth will be used to fill up this, because this is the question mark. This will be the fourth position, which is the question mark which we need to fill, right? Now here you can see 8 plus 1, 8, that is 2 power 3, that is the first term. So we can write it as 2 power 3, the first term, as usual. I'm just repeating the same, plus 1. 1 can be written as, let's say, here also you can just identify this 1 and this question mark and this 16. These are also following some relations, 1 question mark and 16, and this relation is what that need to be identified, right? So here you can see 128 can be written as 2 power 7, right? 2 power 7 here, and 2 power 7 plus 16. 16 can be written as 2 power 4, isn't it? 2 power 4. So here you can see the relation between the fifth and sixth terms, right? This is the fifth term, right? And this entire is sixth term, this one, 144, right? So here 2 to the power 7 is the fifth term, 2 power 7 is the fifth term equal to 2 to power 7, and sixth term is equal to, tell me how much, 2 to the power 7 plus 2 power 4. I hope you understand this, the same thing which I have written, just to explain it, right? I have written it again. So here, and 1, for when you see the relation between the first and second, you can see the first number is 2 power cube and plus 1. So since let's just think that if a particular relation will be followed between the first and second, fourth and third, and sixth and fifth, so one can be written as 2 power 0, isn't it? Because anything power 0 will be 1, right? So here if it will be 2 power 0, if it will be 2 power 0, it will be coming as 1, right? And 2 power cube is 8, already 8. So 8 is the first term, you can see 8 is the first term, 2 cube, right? This is the first term, and 8 plus 1, this entire will be, first term is 8 and the second term is 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9. Any doubt into this? I don't think, but you can just put up if any doubt there. So that's why the second term is 9. I think you are able to relate it. So this relation is followed, 2 cube plus 2 power 0 between the second and first, right? 2 cube plus 2 power 0 is the second term. Now that is 9. Now for the same, you can see what is the relation here, it will be followed. 32 is 2 power 5, you can see. So just write 2 power 5 in place of 32 plus this one, whatever is followed over here, 2 power 0 and 2 power 4 for the sixth term. So for the fourth term, this one question mark, it will be 2 power something. What is that? Here you can see 0, then something, then 4. So here you can see an even sequence is followed. Then only it will be symmetrical kind of, right? 0, then plus 2, then plus 2. So here you can see the exponents 0, this 0, 2 and 4. This follow a even sequence, right? So it will be there, right? So that's why 2 power 2 will be how much? It will be 4, and just 2 power 5 is 32, which is the third term, you can see. So fourth term can be written as 32 plus 4. 32 plus 4, that is 32 plus 4 is 36. So this will be the fifth term. This will be the fourth term. Because 32 plus 4. This will be the fourth term, and because 32 is your third term over here, right? This is the third term. Third term is 32, right? And fourth term, which is your question mark, fourth term is given as, here you can see 2 power 5 plus 2 power 2, right? So in this way, this sequence is followed, and this will be giving you 32 plus 4, that is 36. So 36 is the fourth term. So here you can, in place of question mark, you can write 36. And whenever this series will be filled, you can see this series will be formed. What? 8, 9, then 32, then 36, then 128, then 144. And if this series is filled, then you can see a relation between all these terms. What is that relation? Let us see and recall. 8 is 2 power cube, right? So Himesh, I think you understood this solution. 8 is 2 power cube. Now we are checking our solution. And 9 is 2 power cube plus 2 power 0. I think it's visible to you. Here 2 power cube, 2 power 3 plus 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. So 2 cube plus 2 cube will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So first term plus 2 power 0 will be the second term, 9. So 9 will be 2 cube plus 2 power 0, right? And what is 32? 32 is 2 power 5, right? So here you can also see 3, this 3, 5, the first term are following a sequence, right? And 2 power 5 plus how much? Tell me. This is the only third term, that's it. And for the fourth term, which we have identified, it is following a sequence 2 power 5 plus 2 power 2. right? So here also you can see 0 and again increased by 2. So that added complement, that is its predecessor is 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 plus 2 square. So here you can see 2 square is added. 2 square is added because initially into the second term only 2 power 0 was added, right? So 2 power 0 was added. Why? Because this is valid for the second term only. 2 power 0 was valid for the second term, right? Similarly, for the third term, what you have added, sorry, 1 2 3 4, for the fourth term, what you have added? You have added 2 square. So this is the logic. 2 power 0 is added into the second, 2 square is added into the fourth term. Similarly, the fifth term will be as it is. It will following a simple sequence, that is 2 cube 2 5 then 2 power 7. So that's it. But the main logic lies for fourth, sorry, last term, the sixth term. The sixth term will be 2 power 7, 2 power 7 plus 2 power something. What that something? Here, see, here you can see for the second term, fourth term and sixth term, a special sequence is followed, and that sequence is 2 power 0 is added in the into the first term to get the second term. 2 power 2 square is added into the third term to get the fourth term, right? Similarly, for the sixth term, 2 power 2 power, how much is added to get 144 is 2 power 4 which is added. 2 power 4 which is added to get the sixth term, right? That means its sixth term is its predecessor, that is the fifth term, which is 2 to the power 7 plus this sequence 2 power 0, 2 square and this 2 power 4, right? I hope you like the solution, students. So if you find it useful, you can just like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. For any doubt, you can put up into the comment box. And Himesh, I think you understood it correctly. If any doubt, let me know. So Abhinav, I think you get the solution. Yeah. So in the question mark, it will be 36. 36 will be filling this question mark, right? Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. If you find it useful, you can like and subscribe, students. Take care. Bye bye.